Hey guys, so this is the first major snowfall of the year. We've had other ones this year, but this is the first really major one. There's the yard. There's neighbor's yard. I just went sledding, that's why you can see footprints in the snow. And everything is so white. Oh my god. And if you go down here, there's the stuff on the porch, like the shovel and the sled and stuff like that. We have two sleds. We have like one you go on your tummy with and one that you sit on. So my dad and I just did the walkway right here. Still needs a little work. But then over here, we also did the stairs. Excuse me, I'm getting over a cold. So I usually sled down right there. See, right there. I usually sled down there. So, yeah. See you guys. Bye.